Where is equals.
Dov'è?
Learn the Italian travel phrase fast. Welcome. Hey traveler, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today we'll turn getting lost into a superpower with one tiny phrase.
Dov'è?
Imagine a goofy compass that doesn't point north, it just shouts.
Dov'è?
Every time you spin it. That's our vibe, fun, fast, and useful. Your goal today. You'll master one phrase and use it everywhere. By the end, you'll ask where is equals.
Dov'è?
For places like
La stazione.
the station,
Il bagno.
the bathroom,
Il mio hotel.
my hotel, and
Il museo.
the museum. You'll also handle quick answers like
Qui.
here and
Lì.
there, plus be polite with.
Scusi.
Pronounce it like a pro. Let's nail the sound so locals get you instantly. Say it smoothly.
Dov'è?
It's like Dov'è. Compare
Dove.
where with
Dov'è?
where is. The little apostrophe shows the contraction with is. Try the rhythm. Dov'è. Dov'è. Question melody up at the end. Mini dialogues. Time to use it in real life. Repeat after me and picture the scene. You.
Scusi. Dov'è la stazione?
Local.
È qui vicino.
You.
Scusi. Dov'è il bagno?
Local.
Gira a sinistra e poi dritto.
You.
Scusi. Dov'è il mio hotel?
Local.
È lì.
Accanto al parco. You.
Scusi. Dov'è il museo?
Local.
È qui.
Dietro l'angolo. Drills. Plug and play. You speak, I pause, fill in the place and say it out loud. Say, where is the station? You.
Scusi. Dov'è la stazione?
Say, where is the bathroom? You.
Scusi. Dov'è il bagno?
Say, where is my hotel? You.
Scusi. Dov'è il mio hotel?
Say, where is the museum? You.
Scusi. Dov'è il museo?
Bonus. Where is the gelato shop? You.
Scusi. Dov'è la gelateria?
Memory hooks. Make it stick with a silly picture. Mnemonic time.
Dov'è?
Sounds like Dov'è. Picture a dove flapping around squeaking.
Dov'è?
My nest? Smell the espresso and ask.
Dov'è il bar?
Taste the gelato and go again.
Dov'è la gelateria?
Your verbal compass is.
Dov'è?
Culture tip. Be friendly and clear, and Italians will love helping you. Start with.
Scusi.
Excuse me, add a tiny head tilt and open palm. Keep it simple.
Dov'è?
Plus place. If they answer.
È qui.
It's right here.
È lì.
It's there.
È qui vicino.
It's nearby. Directions like.
Gira a sinistra e poi dritto.
Mean turn left, then straight. Quick quiz. Rapid fire check. Say or think the answer before I reveal it. Q. What do you say in Italian to ask, where is? A.
Dov'è?
Q. How do you politely get attention first? A.
Scusi.
Q. If someone says.
È qui.
Where is it? A. Here. Q. And.
È lì.
A. There. Q. Completed.
Dov'è?
Plus.
Il bagno.
Equals. A.
Dov'è il bagno?
Challenge mode. Let's turn it up and roleplay. Scenario 1. You need a pharmacy. Say it.
Scusi. Dov'è la farmacia?
Scenario 2. You're at the station and need the bus area. Say.
Scusi. Dov'è la stazione degli autobus?
Mirror drill. Point somewhere random and ask.
Dov'è?
Then answer yourself.
È qui.
Or.
È lì.
Pro move. Compare forms out loud.
Dove?
Versus.
Dov'è?
Thanks and next steps. You did great, tiny phrase, huge power. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Dov'è?
With places like.
La stazione. Il bagno. Il mio hotel.
And.
Il museo.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, downloads, and fun practice. Keep exploring, keep asking, and keep smiling. Directions will find you.